Hello, all. Welcome to Distract channel. Major important question is called classifieds. SEO classified. What is SEO classified? What are the purpose of SEO classifieds? Major one is called classified nothing but we can generating leads from one website to your website. That is nothing but the generating for referral traffic. So what are the website they're using most of the persons? So in India persons, we have Locando will be there. So particular ad. I'm showing for not only Locando, I can show you for universal classified ads. In every ad, we require for the phone numbers. We require for the phone numbers. The first of all, log in your account with your Gmail. What are the Gmail you can use? Log in your Gmail here. Automatically you can log in your account will be done. So an error occurred. Just check it out. Where is your login will be here. So I'm logging for another account. Right now it is updated. I can show another website here. Now look at another website. You can go on another one here. Here will be options are in this. Wall classifieds, freemaster.com. Number of options are there. So these are the particular classifieds. Here will be post a free ad. In this, majorly we can focus by the particular ad will be here. Select one. What is your particular category? Services. Which services you will be providing? So it will be all options are here. So which one you can here? We can add the option. Next will be. So two will be adding the services. So what option will be clicked for? Sign up, add account. Option will be there. What we can click for? Continue. So this much of so many ads are they will be running from in the classified. What is the purpose? They're providing for free backlink. They're earning money from ads in this country. Country will be always India. If India is there, add it. So where it is exactly you can find out here. Hyderabad. Continue. When you're doing classified time, the major importance is called patience is more required. First, add title. First, content will be prepared here. Add title will be best system marketing services, Pragati Nagar, Hyderabad. So why I'm adding for two keywords? We have to promoting in one title, promoting for two locations. Which one? Pragati Nagar and Hyderabad. Next, add your content. Continue. In this, what is the price? And please the contact and click for continue. I'm not mentioning any price. Why? People will be connecting with us by mail itself. So in this one, I simple. I can use my contact details. So why it is required for email? So we can using the phone number is okay. Suppose this ad I can't log in. I can directly will be do this ad. So if edit is required or anything will be required, where you receive the mail, by mail ID will be show option, edit ad, post ad, or update ad, everything. Now click for continue. So once you post this ad, they receive from the email, add your phone number. So click for continue. So map address. Individual, business, and others. If you go selecting for which one? Business. And what is you looking for? Website URL. Copy the website. Here one question is there. So website URL we can using for exist URL or home page. We have existing URL will be there. Adding the existing URL for your particular option. So where it is exact URL, copy. Why? Because this exact URL you're getting for particular backlink. So this will be helping for two things: backlink purpose, profile SEO backlink purpose. So finally, any video you can add it here, or else click for continue. If you have, continue. Asking for Facebook, I'm not adding for this all details. Why? Because customer coming to my page, not only for social networks. So they asking for how many pages? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok page URL. So what options will be there? You can give this option. Add image. Select by add image, where exactly will be there. Open it. Select first of all image, you can check it out. Image is correct. Free listing here. I'm looking which one? Free listing purpose. Click for submit. It will be free listing is there, paid listing also there. It will be submit for particular option. So here, so you are continue the response in the question and click the submit. Please note the most field option response also one of the promote ad option extremely valid from the your site. So your future ad will be selected by the dollars will be there. So free listing will be selected by the in a particular option. So this is the creating for ad patterns. So they will be, please continue with the responding the question below. So some question is there. The question will be not there here, but only one question is called. I'm not a robot. Here will be free listing. In this, you can add your image. Next, I'm clicking for submit option. These all will be universal classifieds. Next one, same like that, Indian classified will be called click.in. So any ad will be created in time. The major option is called, we have multiple services are there. These are the multiple categories, which is looking for services. In the services, we have the multiple services are there. This classified will creating will be two option: profile linking, backlink. This will be promote your existing keywords, promoting existing keywords. So post a free ad, compulsory you have to selecting for your services, which is cooking, housing, health, computer web design, event, security, everything. If you're not relevant this one, click for other service. First click for upload your photo. Next, select your title. So this will be only supporting for particular option. How many? This will be supporting only for 60 characters. This now. Enter the email ID. Enter the phone number. And enter your particular code. Click for post option. Checking your email or message your activation link. Okay, where you can go to this email. Every one we have to selecting for in this. But showing for everything is correct. What is the purpose of this sending link will be? Publish ad. Click here and publish this one. This ad will be published for particular plans. Get discount, everything will be there. The ad success will be published. View ad. See this one. So what is my highlighting here? My website link and my phone number. And people will be reply from here itself. Where is this display? When I click here, I'm interested 385062 and send response. Go to this. In this, we have received the message from your email ID. Where you receive the classified ID? Which email you will be sign up? Same email ID you receive the email for the customer response. So I'm using for same email now, so they can't receive the particular this one. Is it clear? Any classifieds mainly created for which one? Backlink purpose, keyword building purpose, and you're generating for business lead purpose. Now, most of the people using for click gain, everything. If you want any classified required, simple I tell you this one. Hyderabad free classifieds. OLX, user care. So many like Hyderabad. Open your website and create your account and post your ad. This will be totally where you are looking for higher purpose. Post a free ad. Always remember, some classified will be paid, some classified will be free. What is searching Google? Free classified submission site. So title, listing tags, category, everything. So listing tag will be title, services, any product name, price, website URL, email, everything. Price is a common. Phone number compass required. Product name is the same. You can use this. Price nothing. Phone number required. Website URL compass are required. Email ID. What is the purpose of adding email ID? People your activation link and people will the editing purpose of the link purpose. This will be summary. Browse image. Address. India. Hyderabad. And accept terms and condition. What is the clicking? Submit new listing. This is called profile creation. Every classifieds, your website backlink will be there. Keyword building is there. People when research, they showing your particular website will be into the Google search results. Here is that where you can showing for this ad India. Go to this email, check it is here. So we can go to this option. In this, which email you receive from here, you can receive the particular option. Is it clear? This all will be belongs to where to create the particular website. Any ad you can create, it is activate or deactivate. How to know this? Where you exert your categories. Your category will be where you can check it out. Services. Click here. You're showing or not your service. Click this option. Copy this URL. Open the new tab. Incognito window. Paste it. The link is working. The ad is approved. The link is not working. Ad will be not approved. So my ad is approved. So nothing but I can post number of ad. The ad name is called like Hyderabad.com. If I'm generating backlinks, what happened in this? We can go to scroll down. Product name, everything is there. Just scroll down this option. Finally, people will be coming to your this location. Everything will be here. Your view our site. They go to where? In my website. What is called? This is my website backlinks. Same like that, we have the SEO on page is there. What is the writing here? In the title, you mentioned the company name also. There is no problem. Title with your company name. In this, we can use your title. Best digital marketing, as I said, best price in Pragati Nagar. So automatically our keyword will be built, and second thing will be build the our website backlink. So this is a classified. What are the top 10 Hyderabad classified? list out and post the content. What are the years classified? List out, post the content. Each one compulsory verify the phone number. Some classifier asking for phone number compulsory verification. This is a major important for the particular classifiers. So similarly, so many websites are there. You can use a particular website and create the content and promote it. That will be help on a particular option. So clear. If anything will be required, we can contact our email also. So if any query about the classified, ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support and everything will be follow the instructions, adding the content. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.